Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can charge the battery of your GoPro Hero 11. So the first thing we need to do is just grab our GoPro and we're going to remove the battery lid. Now to do this we just need to turn the GoPro on its side, and you should have this little lip at the bottom here. So you kind of just need to stick your nail underneath this lip and then put pressure going downwards, and it might be a little sticky to come off, but if you just keep applying the pressure, and that will eventually just pop out like so. And once you've removed the battery door, then of course we need to insert our battery. Now just make sure the prongs on the back of the battery align with the prongs inside of the GoPro, and then we're going to insert this like so. Once your battery is inserted into the GoPro, you'll then need your USB-C cable, which should come included with your purchase of the GoPro. And we're going to go ahead and attach the USB-C side into the USB slot down here. Once you've successfully attached that end to the GoPro, we're then going to head over to the USB side, and you'll need to attach the USB to any USB port. Now you can use something as simple as your laptop to charge this, or alternatively you could use any power outlet. As long as it accepts USB sticks, you should be fine to charge this. And once your GoPro is plugged in, I'm just going to demonstrate this on my laptop. You'll see a red light at the top here, which means there's charging. And as soon as the GoPro is done charging, this light will automatically turn off, which means it's fully charged. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you charge your GoPro. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.